Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add emoji to your video using CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application. And first of all, I'm going to add my video to the timeline or the track. And then I'm going to add emoji to this video. So I'm going to go to the sticker menu. And then we're going to choose emoji. Okay, make sure you have internet connection to download the emoji. And for example, I'm just going to add this emoji, this one. We can download the emoji and then we can drag the emoji like this, or you can simply click on this plus button to add the emoji to your video. And then I'm going to make it align with my video like this, and we can place the emoji on any part of the video that we want. I'm just going to place it on the girl's face. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add emoji to our video on CapCut application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.